In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to backtest your trading strategies on TradingView so you can practice your entries and exits without risking real money. Start by opening TradingView and loading your chart. The first thing you want to do is set your time frame. For this example, switch to the daily chart as it gives you a clearer view of overall trends without too much noise. Once your chart is ready, go to the top of the screen and click on the bar replay feature. It looks like a rewind button. This tool allows you to go back in time and simulate how price moved in the past. After activating it, choose a starting point on your chart. For example, you can scroll back and select a specific date. When you do this, all future price data will be hidden so you can test your strategy without seeing what happens next. Now, you'll see a small control panel appear. Use the play button to start replaying the market. Candles will begin to form one by one, just like in real time. As the chart moves forward, watch for your trading setup. When you spot a potential opportunity, use the long or short position tool to simulate a trade directly on the chart. Place your entry, then set your stop loss and take profit levels. These will appear visually, allowing you to clearly see your risk and reward. Let the replay continue and observe how the trade plays out. You'll be able to see whether your stop loss gets hit or your target is reached, helping you understand how your strategy performs. You can pause at any time to review your decisions or adjust your approach. This makes it easier to learn from mistakes and improve over time. If you want to return to the current market, simply exit replay mode and go back to the live chart. And that's it. You now know how to backtest on TradingView using the bar replay feature, giving you a powerful way to practice and refine your trading strategy.